Have you ever run into a problem when editing videos on your computer with CapCut where your original footage is the wrong size for the platform you want to upload to, like turning a horizontal video into a vertical one for TikTok? Don't worry, today I'm going to show you step by step how to use CapCut for desktop. Step 1. Upload your video file. Begin by opening CapCut and clicking on the Import button. Select the video file that you need to resize from your computer's storage. Step 2. Adjust the video aspect ratio and enhance. Now comes the crucial part. Click the ratio and decide the correct aspect ratio for the platform where you plan to share your video. CapCut supports popular ratios like 1:1, 16:9, 9:16, and more. Step 3. Export and share. Now that your video is resized and enhanced, it's time to export it. Set the export parameters to your liking, including resolution. Choose from options like 720p, 108p to K or 4K, bitrate, codec, format. Common formats like MP4, and frame rate to 4fps, 30fps, 60fps. Once you configure the export settings, you can download the video to your device or share it directly on your social media channels like TikTok. It's that easy to resize and share your video with CapCut. CapCut's ratio feature is simple and practical, but it has its limitations. For example, if your original video has poor quality and you crop it from a horizontal to a vertical format and then enlarge it, the footage can become very blurry, noisy, and even pixelated. CapCut can only adjust the size and crop the video. It has no way to truly repair and enhance the video's quality. That's when you need a more professional tool and a video enhancer that can genuinely improve video quality. For this, I highly recommend VidHex Video Enhancer. VidHex uses advanced AI algorithms that can do 3 things CapCut can't. A. Upscaling. It intelligently upgrades your blurry, low-resolution videos to 4K or even 8K, while reconstructing and restoring fine details. A. Denoising and deblurring. It intelligently removes video noise and blur, making your footage cleaner and sharper. Frame Interpolation. It can increase low frame rate videos like 30 fps to 60 fps or higher, making motion look incredibly smooth and fluid. So, if you want your videos to not only have the right dimensions but also professional level quality, VidHex is your top choice. Different social media platforms have their own optimal video ratios. For example, YouTube standard is a horizontal 16:9, while TikTok and Instagram Reels are better suited for a vertical 9:16, and Instagram Square posts are typically 1:1. Choosing the correct size not only avoids black bars but also makes your videos look more professional. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. All the relevant links are in the description below the video. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.